quick. Let's start right here. What is that right there?
Give me 1 second, sir.
Brother, are these are live roaches, sir. These are roaches, brother. Do you see those right there?
Yeah, we had a guy come out.
Those are live, brother.
Super long ago.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cause they're still moving, bro. I mean, I see
Oh, them
guys
is
right there,
roaches.
so you guys are trying to do something about it, but
Damn.
those are live. That
Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. Hope you're having a great day. And I hope you have an amazing, amazing weekend, baby. You know what I'm saying? Today is Friday. We about to tap into a video I got sent. Yeah, and it's that boy, Boku Black. I inspected a roach-infested restaurante. And you know he's from the department. It don't even matter which one. It's just the department, okay? Just know that. We'll have a channel link down the first pin comment below if you want to go check out Mr. Boku Black. I'm not going to hold you guys up, though. We can get straight into it. We're not going to be streaming tonight or tomorrow. I got some things going on. No stream tonight. We just dropping straight banger videos, okay? So with that being said, we got to check it on people's meepers. So get down in the comment section, 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. I say most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Make sure you head over to glavibe.com. All the links will be in the description box below. Let's see what type of time Mr. Boku Black is.
Yeah.
Thank you. Are these small? Okay.
Yeah, they're small. I mean,
It's all right. No, you're good. You're good, bro. You're
yeah,
good. You're good, man.
I don't know if you prefer either a lot more loose, but I have these.
I'll take those.
Do you want to take these?
Yeah. It's just for germs, man. It's all right.
Yeah.
And what's your name, if you don't mind? Josh. Okay, nice to meet you, brother. Once again, Agent Black, ID number 30303. All right, we can, wait, are you going to be the one helping me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We can start at the sanitary station. I see you guys don't have too much weight. It's not that big in here, so like I said, it'll be quick.
It's not super big or anything.
Okay, sanitary station, what, right here?
Sanitary, like mop stations and stuff?
Yeah, like your sanitary as far as...
Yeah, that's going to be the back.
Okay, we can go back here real quick. Oh, he's taking the order. Okay. I see you're taking the order.
Yeah.
Sorry, like I said, I see you're working up front too, man, so... Okay,
yeah,
sanitary station here.
I have another guy coming in.
Okay.
In like an hour.
To help you out. Okay, actually, hold on. We can actually start right here. This right here, brother. I'm sorry. This right here is unacceptable.
Not the whistle already, damn.
This chicken, bear chicken, is not supposed to be in a sink like this.
This is the meat sink.
No, I understand that. However, it's not supposed to be touching this. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know what kind of you would prefer or what other method that you guys could use. However, we're not supposed to see this. You understand what I mean? I'm not gonna violate you for it. Just like you said, this is your meat sink, so you guys don't have, you don't know any other way right now. But if I have to come back, or if anyone else does come back, make sure it's not like this again. If that's fine, you know what I'm saying? I know you guys are working on what you can, you know, but that right there, just try to get that out the way. But that's all right. Like I said, I'm not gonna violate you guys for that. You're good. What's back here? This is just storage.
This is storage, and then this is our mop sink.
Okay. If you don't mind, can I just step back just real quick? Just take a quick check. Okay. Yeah, you're good. You're good back here. I don't see too much back here. Are these your freezers that you guys use?
Freezers. Yeah.
Okay. Organization. Where's your temps? At the bottom, or?
Should be.
It doesn't show you temp?
Temp, aquí in the top one.
Oh, in the top?
Aquí in this one.
Oh, right.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This one freezer.
All right, you guys are good. You guys are good on that?
Yeah.
Okay. Organization is top tier, brother. Organization is top tier.
Looking good.
Try to do by the book, so.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
Organization is top tier. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, let him go. I see. Okay, and that's your other deep freezer, but he's stacking that up now.
Yeah, this is our walk-in cooler. I got another freezer right here.
Okay, all right. I'm not even gonna try to get back there, but like I said, from right here, I see organization.
Separation of the meat.
Okay. Quick. Let's start right here. What is that right there?
Give me 1 second, sir.
Brother, are these are live roaches, sir. These are roaches, brother. Do you see those right there?
Yeah, we had a guy come out.
Those are live, brother.
Super long ago.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cause they're still moving, bro. I mean, I see
Oh,
you
them
have the
is
strap right there,
roaches.
so you guys are trying to do something about it, but
Damn.
those are not, that means that you guys have a real problem right now, like real time problem.
I understand. Again, we have changed our pest control from monthly to 2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay.
Yeah.
And the last time.
So y'all, you got like 15 roaches on one bag, and you got your chicken in the sink, bro. Like, I don't like that, even though it's not next to it, sir. I don't like the fact that there's live roaches moving on the stinky pad, and there's chicken over there in the sink. I don't like it, sir. I wouldn't want to eat there if I'm not even gonna lie to you. What are we talking about? Live roaches? They not dead. They live. Livery roaches, man. Come on, brother.
Time these came was when?
I gotta double check.
Okay.
But we have another appointment.
Oh
coming
my
up.
goodness, and they're over. Oh shit, bro, this one right here. Oh, y'all infested with roaches, bro.
Nah.
I don't even want to keep blowing my whistle, but at this point,
Blow your whistle.
damn, I thought y'all was clean, man. Damn. Okay.
Damn.
It's a chicken on the floor. I know that doesn't help at all.
It don't
I
help.
mean, just
Yeah,
stuff.
we got again. We're going.
I know you.
We're actively trying to clean and
Yeah, you're doing the best you can, man, for sure. But just as a restaurant, you guys
For
have
sure, for
a
sure.
duty to uphold, some cleanliness.
understand.
But I know some things are out of your control. But
Again.
just that right there. My best advice. Honestly,
yeah, and I can show you our pest control.
yeah. Honestly, I'm probably. We're probably gonna have to take that up with your pest control because I mean, if you said you called them, I mean,
again, we changed. Like I said, we changed it to 2 weeks now.
okay,
Yeah, every 2 weeks.
all right. Oh man. Okay.
But it's not just here. Apparently, it's this whole area.
The whole
Yeah.
like strip mall.
No, it's the whole area. This whole area.
Oh, the whole Bankhead. Okay.
Yeah, this whole area is so bad.
Bankhead,
Okay.
Atlanta.
How long,
Do
how long have
better,
you guys
Atlanta.
actually been here in this location?
We've been here for about 5 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, at
Okay.
least since when we've taken over.
Oh man. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Let me just go off the blue light. Those look good. Everything here that looks fine as far as cleanliness and stuff.
Right. Again, we like I said, it's been so bad. We had to change our schedule from monthly to 2 weeks.
Okay.
Damn.
Do you guys don't have a public restroom, do you?
We do.
It's in the front, though?
Yeah, it's in the front.
Okay.
And if you want to do that last.
Yeah, I'll do that last. I would have to go back there and do a little bit more, but I see you guys have a lot going on, bro.
Yeah, again, like I said, we're getting deliveries. We're getting our delivery in right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna disturb your delivery, bro. At least,
Yeah, as you can see.
the least I can do is at least just let you know about your roach problem, because that's
Yeah, again, if
That's
you want to see,
crazy.
we have the proper paperwork
For it?
our pest control.
Okay.
Honor guard.
okay. Oh, honor. You guys use honor guard.
Yeah, we use honor guard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're not like some some shoddy third party,
Yeah.
source.
Boy, black
Okay.
light and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Honestly, bro, like I said, because I have to get downtown. If you can just show me the public restroom, and
Yep.
then just show me your honor guard information, so that way I can report it back to who I need to.
This one first. This you come in first, alright?
Let me grab that. For you. This is the public restroom here.
Okay.
Yeah. Hot water should be running.
All right.
If you want to check for hot water.
Bathroom is all right.
Other one. Yeah, it's reversed.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you guys are good on everything else, man. It's just,
Yeah, again, it's this whole area. It's not just us.
yeah. I mean, I understand, man.
Yeah, we've again. That's why we changed it from
Okay.
monthly to.
All right.
You wrote down
Are you
roaches.
calling your manager
Hey,
or something?
do you mind sending me the honor guard invoice?
Let me check this out.
The most recent one. Yeah, just a picture of it. Yeah, can you just send me a picture of that email?
Yeah, that'd be fine. That'd be fine. Oh man. Okay, brother. Roaches. All right. I'm gonna get out your hair, man. With that, whatever he emails you, you can email that directly back
And
to
do you
me.
have a business card with you?
I actually don't, but I can give you the number of my superior if you need to, or you can give me my direct number. And also, I'm trying to think the best way to go about this. Whenever he sends you the honor guard, you can email that directly to me because I'm going to send you an email of you guys' report. So you can just email that directly back to me. It's gonna be, you have access to you guys' email on file, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know if, well, our email would be on file.
What do you mean?
They usually take down an email, or they don't even take down an email, usually just bring their report here.
Okay. Okay. Now we've changed it. I'm not sure how long it's been since that was in place, but I just came from DC, so I transferred down here about a couple weeks ago. But like I said, I mean, I'll have you guys
Boy,
report
talking
in
fast.
within the next 30 minutes.
Yeah.
However,
Do you mind if I look at, can you walk me down the report?
I'm sorry. That's actually, I can't.
This is a one smart owner said, hold on, brother. I went through this whole spiel. You not giving me nothing. Hey, let me see that report. Let me see what motherfucker wrote down. Nothing but roaches. Hey, sir, I don't think you're real. What department you from? Sir, I'm from the department. ID 313, whatever the zip code is for Atlanta. Okay? Look, Boku Black trying to talk so damn fast to talk his way up out of here. We can't, this is just classified information, sir. I can't do what?
And let you see my visual report. However, you guys will get your email within 30 minutes. And once you do get that email, just send that right back over to me. I didn't violate you guys for the roaches, but I did make a note just that you guys have, you know, your exterminator is not doing his job. You know what I mean? But like I said, I have to go, man. I appreciate your time, but just make sure you can do that. All right? You have a blessed day, sir. Okay?
You said your name was?
Agent Black, ID number 303. Yes, sir, from the department. Have a blessed one, brother.
303. Oh, boy, you about to get
Man.
found out, sir. You about to get found out, and man, they about to shut you down, sir. You better get as much content out of this as you can, because old boy's about to pull out a bulletin. Watch out for this guy. He comes in and try to say he a restaurant inspector, and he's not, okay? He's just a regular from Atlanta. Hot Atlanta, okay? Shout out to Boku Black, but he's getting his content, and he's finding some shit at the same time. I ain't mad at him, man. Get your content, brother. He's not interfering with anything. He's actually holding him accountable, even though he's not a real restaurante inspector, okay? He's just from the department. What department? Ross, Nordstrom's, the department, you know. Tell down in the comment section, man. Let me do a thing about it. He did find roaches. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, would you eat from that restaurant even though they get an inspection every 2 weeks? It was so bad they had to go down to 2 weeks. If you saw live roaches in 2 different places and one walking under the refrigerator with the chicken in the poultry sink, would you still want to eat there? Let's keep it real. I know he said yes, it's a problem all around. I don't give a damn, okay? Then eat at home. You wouldn't want to eat there. Don't even lie, okay? Tell down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about it. It's your boy Fuush. And remember, no stream tonight on Twitch and YouTube. Nope, we're not. I got too much going on, but I'm going to throw you guys out some videos just to make up for it. I love y'all like y'all love me. Keep tapping in. Make sure you like the videos, okay? Share the videos. We're on Facebook now. Look out for your boy on Facebook, Fuush Nigga. That's it. Type in Fuush Nigga on Facebook. Come tap in with me over there. I dropped the whole bangers over there too, not no little snippets. We dropped the whole 20, 30, 40, whatever video. We drop it on Facebook too, baby. We're trying to go global. And we're trying to bring our Laughery Factory to everybody, baby, okay? Anybody stressed out, come over there, hang out with us. We're going to make you laugh, okay? We're going to make you laugh so hard, you're going to take your ass off, sit it next to you, and your ass going to be laughing right along with you, baby. That's what we do. Best community on YouTube, and we're going for the best community on Facebook next. We already got the next one on Twitch too, man. Type in. It's your boy Fuush. I'm out this bitch.